Malacanang welcomes the decision of the UN Arbitral Tribunal to proceed and hear the case filed by the Philippines against China in connection with the territorial row. At the same time, the palace maintained that the Philippines has a legal basis to bring its case before the International Court. Ignacio with the details.
Malacanang hopes for a speedy resolution of the territorial dispute between the Philippines and China in the West Philippine Sea. The United Nations Arbitral Tribunal started to discuss the petition filed by the government against China's continued presence in the Philippine-owned Panatag Shoal, 124 nautical miles from Zambales province.
We've always maintained that we have legal basis to bring the case before the Arbitral Tribunal. Certainly this is a step that we welcome, and we hope that this will be resolved in an expeditious manner.
The UN Tribunal judges convened in Hamburg last week to determine if the international body has jurisdiction to resolve the territorial dispute. The Philippines filed the case with the International Tribunal last April.
Well, part of the issues that are going to be handled by the Arbitral Tribunal will be issues on jurisdiction, and that's expected already. But knowing that we filed it in the Arbitral Tribunal, we have already anticipated that the issue of jurisdiction would be raised. And therefore our lawyers, both the Solicitor General and the other lawyers involved, are fully cognizant of that particular issue.
Lacerda reiterated that the government has legal basis to claim the area under the exclusive economic zone based on the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Seas, or UNCLOS.
Well, this is a arbitral tribunal. We certainly would hope that they will look with favor in our position.
Despite the territorial row, the Philippines expects to maintain its good relations with China, especially in trade and investments. Lacerda said the relations do not focus on territorial dispute only.
We've always stated that the relationship with China is multifaceted. Our relationship with China should not be on the basis of this particular situation that we are confronted with right now. We have cultural, we have trade, we have several levels of exchange that we certainly can continue with China.
President Aquino earlier assured that the government will resolve the issue peacefully. For the People's Television, Ignacio.